y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super duper quick and easy one. It's actually going to be a video about my faux locks. I actually have a video that I'll link down below about how I install my faux locks. Y'all see how natural they look, right? So, check that out later, after this video if you want to, or before. But anyways, today's video is going to be how I style my faux locks. I'm going to show y'all 4 different looks that I do just to change it up a little bit instead of always wearing it down, Also, if you guys like this makeup look, I actually did a challenge for this makeup look. It was the I tried to follow blah blah blah's makeup tutorial. But if y'all want to see what beauty guru I followed and how I achieved this makeup look, I'll actually have the link down below, so check that out also. But let's just get into the video, okay? This is gonna be quick, easy, simple, and just about to style these faux locks for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, I feel like I'm zoomed out a lot. But anyways, don't mind my keys back there. That's the easiest way for me to find my keys. Listen, I'm always losing them in this room. And, if they by the door, I can get to them and I can get out of here quicker because I'm always late. But anyways, so my first style is actually just going to be just a regular part on the side. But I usually don't really, showcase a part for real. But just a part on the side. But with me it's different because I like to take all the hair to one side, basically. You see what I'm doing? Just put all to one side, and that is actually my first look. So yeah, y'all can't even see the bottom, but yeah. So you see I have those little clamp thingies, the gold ones, just to add a little decoration. And I really don't have that many. They're in my bathroom, but I just don't feel like putting them on. And then I also have seashells in different areas of my hair. I probably only have 2 or 3. But yeah, I didn't want to do too much. Let me zoom out a little bit. So yeah, I have on a crop top. But yeah, this is the first style. Just swooping all the hair over to one side and making sure your baby hairs are laid, Can't play those type of games. But yeah, style number 1. Okay, for style number 2, I actually part my hair off a little bit. Just take some of the front braids, just not many, but just a couple. And put the rest of it to the back. And I grab a ponytail holder and I just use it to section off the back area. So I got this back section off, and I just take this first one and I'm just going to twist it. I'm not going to braid, I'm just literally going to twist it and just make it look, presentable. I mean, I believe everybody knows how to twist, I would think. Let's see. And I literally just twist it over. Twist it over. Twist it over. And so, yeah. So once I get to the end, I have 3 bobby pins. And I just take one. Jesus. Take one and I just go straight through with it. And then I let my hair back down and I grab one of the twists that's holding the rest of the hair back, and I take it and and I get a twist from literally the back of my hair. And I take those two twists, here they are right here, and I literally just tie them in a knot. So that way I know that this will stay. Okay. Y'all can barely see that, I know, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get finished. Okay, literally, you see the little knot, the little bow, and I just hide it underneath my hair. Literally. And that is style number 2. See, twist across the front. You always gotta make sure your baby hairs are nice. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but literally. And also, to add on to this style, you can put it all to one side and you can actually put it into a ponytail. So literally, I take the headband and I take it on either side and I put it around the hair. So there's the two sides, and I grab it and I put one side inside of the other, if that makes sense. I really hope it does. Oops, did the wrong thing. Okay, and then I tighten it. So once it's tightened, then I just tuck this in somewhere, just anywhere, it doesn't matter, just as long as you can't see it, it's fine with me. And that is my third style. Okay, you guys, so now for the last style, I take my hair and I part it straight down the middle. It is down the middle, it's just a little nappy. I could just wear it down like this, but I hate my hair parted down the middle like this. And I just take a little bit of the hair, not too much. And I get the ponytail, put a ponytail in. I'm gonna leave it like that for a second. And I get the other side. Ow. And I do the ponytail on this side too. Just a little repetitive. And I mean, I could leave it like this, but I don't want to look like a little kid. So I get it and I just twist it around. Doesn't have to be perfect. There's one. Ow, it's a little tight. And then let me do the other side. That's much better. Okie dokie, so that is the fourth look. Or Minnie Mouse. I could be considered Minnie Mouse. But like I said before in the other 3 styles, make sure your baby hairs are laid, okay? You can't be out here with cute styles and your baby hairs ain't laid. Now, I'm gonna give y'all one bonus hairstyle. So for my last bonus hairstyle, I'm gonna take those 2 and I'm just going to put one ponytail right in the middle. And literally, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which style was your favorite. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Queen Beauty out.